So the next question is sum of the present ages. So I will write the question. Sum of the present ages of Hamid, Kadir, and Zubayd is 50 years. If their ages were in the ratio, 2:5:3, so find their ages. Find their ages. Okay, find their ages after 2 years. So this is the given question. Okay, students, so first see the problem. So sum of the present ages of the Hamid, Kadir, Zubayd is 50 years. If their ages were in the ratio of 2:5:3, so find their ages after 2 years. Okay, so we have to know that first so what is the ages in the ratio, and what are the ages? Okay, so ages are in the ratio of, so Hamid, okay, so I will write here. So Hamid and Kadir and Zubayd's ages are in the ratio 2:5:3. So I will write the ages are, so 2x, 5x, 3x. Okay, I will write Hamid, Kadir and Zubayd ages are 2x, 5x and 3x respectively. Okay, so what they given? So the given is sum of the present ages of Hamid, Kadir, Zubayd was 50 years. If the ages were in the ratio of 2:5:3, so we have to write the sum of their present ages. Sum of their ages will be in the ratio of this one. So sum of their ages will be 50 years. So sum of the age of 50 years means I will write that. So 2x plus 5x plus 3x should be 50 years. Sum of their ages. Okay. So sum of their ages will be 50. So 2x plus 5x plus 3x, what is the value? So 10x. So 10x equal to 50. So x equal to 50 divided by 10. So 0, 0 cancel. So x equal to 5 years. From the given problem, what we understood, their ratio they given. We should not take here two equation. So directly the ratio, this much ratio they given, and sum of the ages they given means, so 2x plus 5x plus 3x, which should be equal to 50. Okay, so if we add this kind of ratio, which is equal to 50 they given, so x equal to 5 years. So 5 years means Hamid years. So we have to look on that Hamid years. What is that? Hamid age. Okay, sorry, Hamid age. So Hamid age will be 2x. So 2x means, so 2 into 5. So Hamid age will be 10 years. Okay, the next one, Kadir. So Kadir age was 5x. So 5x means 5 into 5. So 5 into 5, 25. So these are present ages. Am I right? And Zubayd age will be 3x. So 3x means 3 into 5, 15. Now what is the question they asked? What is their ages? Find their ages after 2 years. So after 2 years their ages will be plus 2 we have to add. Okay, so after 2 years their age will be, okay, so Hamid present age 10. So 10 plus 2, 12. So 10 plus 2, 12 years. So Hamid age will be 12 years. for Kadir. So for Kadir, so 25, so 25 plus 2, 27 years. 27 years. And Zubaid, 15. So 15 plus 2, 17 years. Okay. So this is the problem, students. So they from the given data, so total they given, so you have to find the value and we have to find their ages after what is that, 2 years. So we'll move to the next problem. Okay, the next problem is question number 6. 5 years ago, the sum of the ages, 5 years ago, sum of the so 5 years ago, the sum of the ages of a mother and her daughter was 60 years. Okay, also the difference, also the difference of their ages, difference of their ages 5 years from now, 5 years from now will be 30 years. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Okay. See students, one thing you have to know. See students, 5 years ago the sum of the ages of a mother and her daughter, there are 2 persons, mother and her daughter, was 60 years. Also the difference of their ages 5 years from now will be 30 years. Okay, find their present age. Find their present age. I will take, there are 2 persons, mother and daughter. Okay, mother and daughter. Okay, so 5 years mother present age, first we have to find the present age. So mother present age I will take x and daughter present age I will take y. Okay, but the given information is 5 years ago sum of their ages, so this is present age, so present age. So 5 years ago, so 5 years ago what will be their ages? So x minus 5, y minus 5. Okay, so 5 years ago the sum of the ages of a mother and her daughter was 60 years. So that means I will write that, so mother age plus daughter age 5 years ago, this is 5 years ago. Okay, so 5 years ago, so this is 5 years ago was how much they given? 60 years. So what will be the mother age 5 years ago and what will be the daughter age 5 years ago? So x minus 5 plus y minus 5, which is equal to 60. So this is the equation number 1. Okay, so the next one, what information they given? Also the difference of their ages 5 years from now, 5 years from now. So that means present age is x, present age is y. So 5 years after, so 5 years from now. Okay, so 5 years from now, so also the difference of their ages 5 years from now will be 30 years. So 5 years from now, so that means x plus 5 and y plus 5. So x plus 5, y plus 5. So the difference will be, so 5 years from now, percentage is x, percentage is y. So x plus 5, y plus 5. So difference x plus 5 minus y plus 5. The difference will be equal to 30 years. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Okay, so there are two equations, two variable is there. So first we have to reduce that equation. So first equation I will take, so x minus 5 plus y minus 5, which is equal to 60 years. So we will write that x plus y, which is equal to minus 5 minus 10, so which is equal to 60. So x plus y, which is equal to, so the 60 and 10 will go that side, means 70. So x plus y, which is equal to 70. Okay, so this is equation number 3. And the second equation you have to reduce. So x plus 5, this minus you have to multiple. So minus you have to multiple, minus into y minus y, and minus into plus minus. So minus into 5 minus 5, which is equal to 30. So that means here x minus y, so plus 5 minus 5, plus 5 minus 5 cancel, 0. Okay, so x minus y, which is equal to 30. So this is equation number 4. Okay, so I will write that equation separately. Okay, so what is that equation? Equation 3, x plus y. So x plus y, which is equal to how much? X plus y equal to 70, x minus y equal to 30. So x plus y equal to 70, x minus y equal to 30. Am I right? Yes. So now you have to just substitute the values. Okay, so here from this one, so this is equation, I'll take a 4 and I will take a 5. Okay, so from 5, so from equation 5, so I will find the x value around x equal to, so this y will go that side, means so 30 plus y. So x equal to 30 plus y. So take x equal to 30 plus y and substitute equation number 4. So from this x value, so x equal to 30 plus y, just substitute in 4. So what is the equation for? X plus y equal to 70. So x value what they given? 30 plus y. Okay, so this value you have substitute here. So 30 plus y equal to 70. So here what I have found, so 30 plus y, so 30 plus y, which is equal to 70. So y plus y, 2y, so 30 plus 2y, which is equal to 70, and here 2y, which is equal to 70 minus 30. So 2y equal to 70 minus 30, that y equal to 70 minus 30, 40. So 2y equal to 40, y equal to 40 divided by 2. So y 20. So y equal to 20 we found. Okay. And the next thing, substitute the value y equal to 20. So x plus y equal to 70. Yeah. So x plus y, which is equal to 70. So substitute the value 20 here. So x plus 20, which is equal to 70. So x equal to 70 minus 20. So x equal to 70 minus 20, 50. So x equal to 50 years. Okay. So x equal to 50 years. So x equal to what is that value? X equal to percentages of mother. So percentage of mother will be 50 years. So mother age. So mother present age. So find their present age, they said. So mother present age is 50 years, and the daughter present age will be 20 years. Okay, so this kind of only you have to find, students. Okay, so I hope you all understand. So just make a box. So this kind of only, there are two equations they given, so two variables they given, so that means simply we have to solve. So if you know how to solve the equation directly, means In the higher class you will know, okay, x plus y equals 70, x minus y equal to 30. So 2x equal to 100, so x equal to 50 directly you can say, okay. So in higher class you will learn. So now you know the substitution method, okay. So thank you all. We will see in the next class. Just make sure that just copy in this in your any KA note or any rough note. Just make sure that. So at one day I will ask, okay. So thank you all. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.